Okay everyone, let's take a look at the McLaren badge here, this emblem. And if you look at the McLaren symbol, it's discolored, like the red has peeled off. I'm not sure if it's because of sun exposure, of over time, but this doesn't really see wear and tear because there's no trunk or anything like that. So what we did is we went to the local hobby store and we bought some acrylic paint that you use on hobby cars. And what we're going to do is we're going to put that on, and then we're going to add a ceramic coating over it and see if we can make this look better. This is just going to be a test, so let's just try it out. All right, so Elise is going to be doing this. She is pretty good with the paintbrush, and we're just going to take our time filling it in, and we're going to show you the final product. Elise is complete with the red part. And to be honest with you, from like a couple feet away, it looks pretty darn good. So, I mean, from a couple feet away, it looks awesome. Mission accomplished. Of course, if you look at it really closely, you're gonna see a little bit of the texture of the paint that peeled off, like it's not super leveled. But now Elise is doing the outer black line, and this should complete this little part. All right, Elise finished the outer black line and it looks really, really good. Again, we used a combination of like hobby paint, like, you know, the stuff you use on model cars, and then car paint, like car touch-up paint, that was the black. And then we're gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna put ceramic coat over it, just kind of seal it up. But this is great. This is better than trying to replace it, peeling it off or anything like that. This was a simple 15-minute job. I couldn't do it. I'm not calling it simple, but at least did great. All right, guys. Well, thank you for tuning in another video. We are getting a lot of stuff done in our McLaren. We absolutely love this car. This car is so exciting. All right, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.